Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with More Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Paralyzed on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. To play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your Capo on 3. The chords you'll need are A minor, X open, 2, 2, 1, open. Then you'll need F, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then you'll need C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then this chord, X, 2, open, open, 1, open. So all together that sounds like this: A minor to F to C. And that's all I got for you. Did you get it? Did you not? Did I play too fast? Did I play too slow? Did you understand the chords? Let me know. I have no idea. I just heard the song. I really liked it. I wanted to show you how to do it. So if it was helpful, like and subscribe. If not, comment below. Tell me what I could do differently to help you learn the song better. Yeah, have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.